Hey, my name's shawnshawn. I sell art on shawnshawn.co and specials on eBay. Today, I'm going to give you a tip of the day. Is about a sales script. So what they do for sales at the really high level, where you're selling $10,000 goods, $20,000 goods, all that stuff, is they have a sales script. So what this is you list out every single buyer's objection you're going to get. Like, hey, your art's too expensive. What's your answer to that? Oh, I gotta talk to my wife, husband about buying this art. What's your answer to that? Oh, do you have this in a different size? What's your answer to that? Oh, I don't know, it's too expensive. Maybe you have a 30-day refund reply. So you have a list of all your buyer's objections and have an answer for every single one, your best answer. Think about it really slow when you're not going to an art fair, but think about it the morning of, and then review that. And you review that along with the sales mantra, which is in another video. And you'll be really prepared just out of the gate. It'll really increase your sales and really help you out. So you definitely want to have those answers to buyers' objections, because if you don't, you're going to be like, well, I don't know. And they'll be like, oh yeah, it's too expensive. Hey, I'll talk to my wife. See you later. Take a card. And then they never talk to you again, right? So a lot of those sales, probably only 5% are going to be like, wow, I love that art, and buy it right away. And 95% of your sales are going to be, there's going to be some objection. So if you have a good solid answer to each one of your classic buyer objections, you can just look them up online if you haven't been to a lot of art fairs, and just study those and think about the best response to that. And you can actually just Google it. They'll probably just give you a good answer. But have all your buyers objections, the answers to each one of those, go through those, have those pretty well memorized, and don't just memorize them in the sense like you're gonna say exactly this. I would just put bullet points. So for mine, like if they're saying it's too expensive, I don't know if I can afford it, you can be like, hey, there's a 30-day guarantee. So you just put 30-day guarantee, and then you just go into the whole spiel of it's a 30-day guarantee. I can less shipping. I can just refund you if you don't agree with your wife, for example. Like if they have a wife, husband, they don't know if they'll like it. You're like, hey, it's a 30-day guarantee. You can just refund it if you don't want to give it to someone else or it doesn't work out. How can I resell this? You're like, well, I got a certificate of authenticity. And so you want to have those answers like just right handy to your brain, and that'll really help you sell. And that's my tip of the day. Thanks for watching, guys.